Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. Today I will discuss how we can create documents according to IEEE journal format. The document class IEEETRAN is used to create IEEE format publication. You can download IEEETRAN from the mentioned sites. The download package contains some additional files along with IEEE.cls class file. You can see these file names along with their extension on screen. The text file bear_journal is an example of IEEE format for journals. We will use this file to create our today's documents. Now open the latex editor. First we have to insert the document class, which is our IEEETRAN, and insert journal in the option field. Then put some necessary packages: the site package, the graphics package, MS Math package, algorithmic package, subfig package, st_float, and URL packages. You can insert more according to your document requirement. st_float package will allow us to insert graphic larger than column width without merging into the text. Our documents. First we have to insert the title of the paper. This is the title of the paper. Then insert author of the paper. Use tilde over between author name to remove spaces between author name. Next, insert thanks. This will show author affiliation at the footnote of the first page. The second thanks, insert the second footnote for the author affiliation. Mark both will create the header of the paper, which include the information about the journal to which paper is published. Now if you want to insert the publisher ID, then use the command IEEE PUBID. We have to use IEEE PUBID to avoid mix-up between first column and text and the ID. Now insert the command make title. Make title will create the title of the page. Now create the abstract of the paper by putting the text between begin and the end abstract. Similarly, insert keyword between begin and end keyword. This will generate the keywords of the paper. Now begin the section introduction. In IEEE journal paper, the first word of the introduction span over about 2 lines. Let's see it. Insert this using IEEE pair start command like this. Then write rest of the introduction as normal style. Once again, put IEEE publication ID adjacent column in the second column of the first page to stop second column text mixed up with the publisher ID. Insert subsection and subsection in usual way of the latex. Now insert the graphic IEEE prefer top float option for its graphic package, and label must be declared after captions. Subfloat will insert figure with subcaption label A and B. The subcaption text is inserted between square brackets. Follow the same for your papers. Insert the table environment. Table also uses top float option. For increased row spacing, use command erase. Once again, the label should be inserted below caption. Insert the section conclusion. The appendices section begin with the appendices command. Put section to define different section of the appendices. You can give name to different sections. Also insert section acknowledgement with asterisk section command. This will allow author to give thanks remarks to other. Now insert the references of the paper using bibliography. Select bibliography style IEEETRAN. Use begin and end bibliography to insert bibliography entries. Use bib item to insert reference entries like author name, paper title, journal, etc. Now compile the document. If your document has no error, the output file will be generated. You can see the general information in the header, which is generated by both. Then we have the title of the paper. Below this or the author name, then abstracts and keywords are in boldface. There is a drop cap at the start of the introduction, and at the end of the page we have the publisher ID. Moreover, we have subsections, subsections, figures, table, appendices, and finally references in all IEEE format.